Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial series for AWEbase, the software that helps organizations manage their contracting workflow from start to finish. If you want to learn more about AWEbase, please visit AWEbase.com to sign up for a free account. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell to be notified whenever there's a new tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to create a new job in AWEbase. In AWEbase, a job is what connects a contractor to any number of deliverables that they have agreed to work on. Let's create a new job. First, I'm going to go up to the main action menu, select Create Job, and click on it. Every job has a number and a name. The number is assigned automatically, but the name is for you to decide. I'm going to call this job Frog Racer Card Art. Next, let's add the contractor we want to hire. Now we'll assign a contract date. A contract is what makes a job official, and the contract date is when the contract officially takes effect. It's today's date by default, but you can change it if you want. And here's the sign by date, which is the date by which the contractor should sign the contract. The last date is the most important one, the deadline. This is the date by which the contractor has agreed to supply the deliverable for the job. Next, let's add those deliverables to the job. If you don't see a deliverable you're looking for, just start typing its name and AWEbase will dig it up for you. Now that we've got all the deliverables in place, I'm going to hit the Validate Deliverables button to make sure they're all ready to go. Oops! Looks like these deliverables have some issues. Let's take a look. First of all, we've got multiple categories going on here. In a job, all the deliverables have to be part of the same category. What's more, we see that this deliverable isn't marked assignable yet. Let's fix the variables by clicking the Edit button. This deliverable is a piece of art, but ended up in the audio category by mistake, so let's switch it to artwork where it belongs. And this one needs to be marked assignable, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let's validate these deliverables one more time. There we go. You'll note that the category and total amount fields have been automatically populated based on the deliverables. Now that we have a single category for this job, we can choose a contract template that goes with that category. Different categories can have different contract templates. A contract for artwork, for example, could look very different from one for carpentry or computer programming. We've got a contractor, some deliverables, and a contract template. To finish creating the job, all we need to do is sign the contract and send it to the contractor. I'll do that by clicking the Preview and Confirm Contract button right here. Here's a preview of the contract. It's already filled out with the contractor's name and contact information and the details of the deliverables. This all looks good to me, so I'm going to click Sign and Send. You can type your name here or sign the contract with your mouse. Either way, just check the legal box, and when you're done, then you're good to go. Let's take a look at our new job. As you can see, there are 5 tabs on the job screen. The first tab shows the details, which we've just established. Over here on the right is where you can exchange comments on the job with the contractor. The second tab displays all the deliverables associated with this job. The third tab is where you can find a copy of the contract and upload any additional files having to do with the job as a whole. Next is the Payment Requests tab. Once the contractor has finished the job, you can request payment for them here. The last tab, Tools, shows a log of any changes that have been made to the job. This is also where you'll find the Revoke Contract button that lets you cancel the contract before the contractor signs it. Speaking of getting that contract signed, if it's been a few days since you sent the contract, you can click this button up here to send the contractor a reminder that they need to log into AWEbase to respond to an outstanding job offer. We hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to create jobs in AWEbase. If you have any questions about jobs or getting started with AWEbase, please contact our support team at awebase.com.